Hello guys, and hello Josh. Anyways, it's Amber, and tomorrow is my sister Ashley's 25th birthday. Oh my god! So I'm gonna try and find her some gifts that she would like and perhaps bake her a cake. I'm thinking a matcha or hojicha cake since she is the matcha queen. I only have 24 hours and we live together, so I can't really keep surprises from her. But we're gonna try. Let's get started. Hello guys, I'm pulling out the mini mic. This is so awkward. I am very much in public right now. But first thing that we're checking off the to-do list today is getting Ashley a little plushie. I was trying to think of things to get her. I feel like there's nothing she really desperately needs except for maybe something cutesy to put on her shelf next to her bed. First stop of the day is Strand Bookstore. Last time I was here, they had a very wide selection of jelly cats, so I'm trying to pick her up a little penguin one that I saw here last time that I think she would very much enjoy. Oh my god, this is not the penguin I was thinking of, but this is really cute too.
Apparently, I've never been on live television.
What the heck? Oh my god, they have penguins galore. I was looking for a totally different penguin, but suddenly they have like a million penguins here, so I'm spoiled for choice right now. Or let me find the other one I was thinking of. This is the one I was looking for, this little baby. Okay guys, I've lined up the contenders, 1, 2, and 3, but one really just has that amazing vibe to him that I'm kind of magnetized to. I think I'm going for the snowboarder. I don't even give a damn. I don't even give a damn. You're coming home with me. I need to get out of here. The goods have been acquired. Also, what do we think of my tote bag? Fire or not? Pokemon Among Us? Yes or no? I didn't get just one, but two. And guess how much they cost? $60. What the fuck? What the fuck? But I think it was worth it. Next stop on our journey is, I'm gonna go back to the Coach store because I got Ashley this watch a couple weeks ago. You may or may not have seen this in a video. Whoa, I hope no one robs me right now. This is actually crazy. Coach watch. Beautiful watch indeed. But I didn't get it sized because I'm a dumbass. And when I got it, they were like, oh, do you want us to size it for you right now? I was like, no, I think it fits great. It's actually huge. But I didn't know that because I've never bought a watch before. So now I'm going to actually get it properly sized to my size wrist because I think that's close enough to Ashley. And I'm going to gift it to Ashley for the second freaking time. Let's take a subway adventure. Guys, I'm really sweating right now. I do not like filming in public. I've not done this in a minute. Let's get out of here. I'm shaking. I'm trembling. Help me, guys. Help me. Help me. Help me. Hello, could you hear me? Good morning! It's the next day, which means it's Ashley's birthday. She's officially 25, and right now she's out of the house doing some fun activities with Kelly, so I have very little time to bake this cake. And I'm also missing half of the ingredients to make this cake. I think I'm gonna try and wing a lot of this, because I feel like I know how to make a cake. Probably don't even need this recipe. Oh, I forgot to say what kind of cake I'm making. Okay, guys, we all know and love Ashley for her matcha. Yes, Nami matcha. Period. But she's releasing hojicha on October 30th, so I was thinking I want to make her a maple hojicha cake. Oh my god, never been done before. I think I'm the first person to ever do this, I swear. I feel like this is the perfect flavor combo. Maple is her sweetener of choice in all of her bevs, so I feel like kind of big brain moment right here. Let's see what we can do. Okay guys, oh my god. And I don't have another bowl, so I'm gonna use this. I'm baking 2 little tiny cakes so that I can stack it and make a mini cake. Very gorgeous, very Pinterest. I don't know where all of our measuring cups went. 1 cup of flour, some salt, softened butter. This is supposed to be brown sugar, oops. I need to restart my potatoes.
I have to restart my potatoes.
Y'all know that? Mom is calling me. Hello, Mom.
Hello, baby girl.
Hi.
Did you find out the decoration things for Ashley?
Yes, I did.
You say you're making a hojicha cake.
Yeah, hojicha.
Very nice. I'm sure it will be very tasty.
I have icing. I bought like Pillsbury vanilla icing and I'm gonna add like hojicha powder into it.
You know what I would do? make it white and then use the powder somehow to decorate it.
People were saying you could like you know when you do like like dust it. Yeah.
That way, instead of just making the icing muddy.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Thank you for getting the strawberries for her. The strawberry may need to be refrigerated.
I put it in there. Yeah. Thanks. You want to say hi to my video?
Huh?
I'm vlogging.
Oh, hi! Why didn't you tell me?
Love you, Mom. Then I need a half cup of maple syrup. That looks like an espresso or something. I'm gonna put a bunch of her hojicha into the dry batter. So I'm sifting this into the flour. I think I'm gonna use the rest of this tin. Hojicha smells so good. If you didn't know, it's basically roasted green tea. So it has a nuttier flavor and it's almost like chocolatey. I think for fun, I'm gonna add a bit of cocoa powder. Like I just want it to look more brown without wasting too much of Ashley's hojicha. So, okay, now it's time to combine everything. We have our wet, dry, and very wet. Wow. The butter was salted. Oh my god. Oh my god, I do this every time! I do this every time! It's gonna be so salty. I added other salt in it. I added extra salt. I don't even care anymore. Just kidding, I do care. I hope it turns out good still. What the heck, what the heck? Please, please, please. Here's our final batter. Maple hojicha cake. No, I taste the hojicha and it's fire. Okay, now I have my greased and floured pans so that the cakes don't stick. And I'm gonna pour the batter in. And I'm also trying to make a TikTok of this, so I'm filming it on my phone over there. Okay, while those are in the oven, I'm gonna start on the frosting. And I think I'm gonna try and flavor it with some of this maple cream. This is basically just whipped maple syrup. There's nothing else added in here. I'm gonna add a big spoonful. What is this? Why does my frosting have a badussi? Ooh, that looks like the Dune worm. I'm gonna scoop this in. What's always nice about Ashley's birthdays is that she kind of like test runs the years for me. So I've never been scared of getting older because I see the way that Ashley gets older and gets better every year. And I'm like, okay, suddenly I'm not afraid. I feel like our brains are so connected that like when she turns 25, in my head, I'm kind of like, yeah, I'm 25. Like I never feel like my own age, I feel like I'm Ashley's age. And I'm so lucky to have a sister that I almost never fight with. Like I feel like we've always been each other's best friends, and I know not every sibling relationship is like that. So I'm very thankful for Ashley, and I feel like I live a much more fulfilling life because of her in literally every way. So thanks, Ashley, for being my sister. Ooh, it smells so good. Hey! Oh! Okay, so this did not go as planned. It's okay. Ashley can eat my germs because we're sisters. Now, to decorate this cake, Ashley received a bunch of birthday bouquets, and she doesn't need all of them, so I'm gonna snip a couple flowers off and put them on top of the cake. I think with my twin telepathy, I can imagine her giving me permission to do this. So we're gonna choose the best ones from this mega bouquet that she got from our managers. Here are the final flowers I've chosen, and you can't tell anything was taken. I did it.
We did it.
No. Kelly walks in at the last second.
Okay, we'll see you later, yeah?
Oh yes, look at this cake. I nailed it, bro. I nailed it, bro. Hello, birthday queen. Oh, hey. I like your hat. Okay, open your eyes. Wow. peachy, girl. Thanks. Whoa!
Girl! You
Girl.
can't do that anymore. You're 25.
Hey, you're too old to be doing that, girl. Everybody, close your eyes. Guys, really, be serious right now, bro.
Nope.
I'm sorry. This is serious. Everybody,
Name 20 things you want to do.
silence, bro. For the viewers, ignore this. She won't see it. She will see this. And drum roll, please. 1, 2, 3, and open your eyes. Wow! Is this a hojicha cake? Yes,
Wow!
it is, bro. Yes. Oh my god, the frosting is like so gorgeous. So rustic and beautiful. Yeah, very rustic indeed. Thank you, actually. Wait, why do you say thank you to me? I don't know, for the hug. Thank you, Amber. Yeah. That's so pretty. That's so nice on the hojicha day too. Yeah, on the hojicha launch day. Wow. She just launched to the matcha mob today on her birthday. And it should be available to everyone now, I'm assuming, as of October 30th. But can you guess, it's not just a hojicha cake, it's a hojicha cream cheese frosting cake. That's a good guess, but no. Hojicha.
Carrot cake.
No, that would have been good too. Hojicha
Strawberry.
jam cake.
Cheesecake.
No. Hojicha buttercream cake. No. Hojicha lychee cake. You wouldn't be able to tell from looking at it, but it's a flavor that goes well with hojicha.
Hojicha red velvet.
Hojicha milk cake. No.
Hojicha chocolate.
A little bit, but
Hojicha
no.
cookies and cream.
Hojicha cinnamon pumpkin spice. Think of how you drink your hojichas.
Oh.
Hojicha maple cake. Yes. Wait, what? Yeah. What does that mean? I barely even know, bro. Okay. There's just maple in that cake. Wow. And I love that you did like the... I know, I dusted the hojicha on top. Yeah, so it's a hojicha maple cake with maple frosting. Wow. I need to eat this right now. Let's get into it, bro. Good thing we didn't eat dessert.
Also, you know what's funny? Like,
What?
you already showed me this cake, so I kind of was capping.
Oh.
I already saw the cake earlier, and I was like, I realized I was like,
Oh.
I honestly, I couldn't even fake it, bro. I was like, I was like, oh my god.
It's an amazing vibe today. It's an amazing vibe today. It's an amazing vibe on Ashley's birthday. It's an amazing vibe indeed. Hey! Yeah! I'm joking. Okay, now it's actually time for the birthday candles. Yo! Everybody celebrate Ashley's 25th birthday. Let's go! Everybody drop a comment. My real present will be if you subscribe to Amber. No. Yes. No, stop it, bro.
Yes,
Stop.
like-
Come on, bro.
I think nowadays, like, people forget to hit the subscribe button, like...
I think we're forgetting the true meaning of birthdays, and that is subscribing on this video. Everybody forgets the true origin of birthdays. It's all about that YouTube subscriber count. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ashley. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday! Thank you. Make a wish.
Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Are you 9? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25!
I never heard that one.
Bro, come on.
It's one candle.
Come on, bro. I don't know what happened. I'm sorry. Now my wish is not gonna come true. You have another attempt, bro. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Now, let's try this freaking cake, bro.
I am so excited. You have no idea.
It's amazing vibe today. It's an amazing vibe today.
Oh, that's thickum.
Oh yeah, that's a thickum.
Oh, that looks like bread. It looks like, yeah.
Can I eat this little bite?
Yeah.
Yummy.
Yeah, I love that. That tastes so good.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I am sure about that. I'm not even lying.
Are you really
Okay,
sure
I'm
about
gonna
that?
have
Never
to
tell a lie. I'm Abe Lincoln. I know Kelly
just
doesn't
kidding.
want that big of a slice, right, Kelly?
Oh, you're on
I
our
don't
both
know.
Skinty Legends or what?
Did you home make that frosting?
You wish I did.
Very impressive to have a multi-layer cake.
Why is this dense like bread? It's like
Is this a
sourdough
bagel?
bread.
Cheers.
That's so good. You think so? I like it.
It's not like bad at all.
Everybody for the video, pretend it's so good right now.
I've had good cakes, but this is the best.
Thank you. I wasn't sure if this would turn out great or not, but this is hands down my best cake I've ever made.
Now I can't tell if you're joking or not.
Like, seriously, this is so good. It's just a little bit dense and dry. Yeah, I think the flavor notes, though, are amazing.
I am pleasantly surprised.
But he finished his whole piece.
Yeah, I beasted that.
Not me cake, not me cake. Let's go, let's go. That was amazing. Thank you, bro. But it doesn't end here. Oh, I have my birthday gifts for you, bro. It's a little bit tiny, so get your hopes down, bro. Okay. I don't know if there's multiple items. I picked up one of the items. Okay, it feels a squishy. A penguin!
Yeah!
Oh my god, it's a jellycat. This is so cute! Bro. He's on a snowboard. Oh my god, he's so cute. Chris Pang's baby cousin. Yes! Oh my god. What should we name him? Chris Pang. Snowboard Pang. Ben Chang. What the fuck? I'm just kidding. Kevin Wen. Kevin Wen. That's his name is Kevin Wen. Anyway. Kevin Wen?
Cody's this, Cody's that, Cody's me, bro. Wipe out. It's Kevin Wen, bro. Get a life.
That was literally amazing. Thank you, bro. Amber. I'm not gonna look at it. Coach! The watch you already gave? Yeah! Amber! Except this time, it's properly sized so you can actually wear it. No way! Yeah. I went back and I got it fixed. God, you're so nice for doing that.
For bare minimum.
No, I was like stressing like, oh my god, I need to like go to the store and get my watch resized. That actually makes me so happy. I love it. It's so pretty. Thank you, Amber.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you. Yeah. And now we have a Chris Pang as well. Chris Pang and Kevin Wen. On Ashley's birthday, Kevin Wen was born. So Ashley has the same birthday as me. Yeah. Congratulations on 25 years, bro. Thank you. The best to ever do it. Was that crazy or what? That's our handshake. Yeah. The beautiful twin sisters handshake. I also forgot, Mom sent you something. Happy 25th birthday to you. We love you so much. Best wishes, Mom and Dad. Wow. That looks fire. This looks amazing. Very delicious. Happy birthday, Ashley. Thank you. That's it for tonight. Now we're gonna totally chill and hang out. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye. Beautiful twin sisters, out.